Hello, my name is Mario Arriola. I have a bachelor degree in computer science and a specialization in web development. I am inviting you to be part of our course in the American University, the Introduction of Web Development. In this course, we will be studying HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. The course will last 3 months. During this time, you will learn all the basics about web development, understand what is HTML and CSS in order to create static websites. In the second part of the course, we will study JavaScript. You will learn how to manipulate the DOM, how to create dynamic web page, how to fetch information from different APIs. At the end of this course, you will be able to create landing page, and we will start from zero. By the way, this course will be taught 100% in English. This course is not just about learning to make website. You will also learn the basic of the computer science way of thinking. You will learn basic algorithms in order to create faster and well-developed pages. We will learn how to write clean and readable code that will allow you to increase the chances in the future to learn new technologies. Okay guys, we are waiting for you here in the American University. You don't have to be thinking about anything. We have the computer, we have all the equipment that you needed. Then come.